how beautiful, how great of Mother Nature is. This is a documentary. My name is Gabriel and I'm gonna teach you how to survive in the wild. Let's go. Before I start all this, first the step of surviving nature is to find food, like this dirt here. It's a great food resource of your body. So I'm gonna eat it. Watch this. Tastes great. Blimey! It's the rain whale! This is the first time I've seen it before. Goodness, we lost. The reason why is because whale rains can't see us, because we humans, their instincts won't see us because we're invisible to them in this small tree stem. Alright, let's go. We're just gonna stay here to morning. So let me tell you about how this is Gamer. This is my last documentary. Hashtag survival of nature.